In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory error. So, in case you've opened up Premiere and got this error, which is Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro is running very low in system memory, please save your project and proceed with caution. So, if you've gotten this inside Premiere Pro, either in the middle of your screen or here down at the right, it appears sometimes, what you have to do is as follows. Now, there's 4 fixes. I'll show you each and every single one of these right now. So the first thing you want to do is clear the media cache. And the way you do this is you go to Edit up here, and then you want to go down here to Preferences. You open up Media Cache over here, okay? And then it will give you 2 options, okay? So as you can see, you can, over here where it says Remove Delete Cache Files, you want to click Delete, and it will ask you to delete unused media cache files, and this one is grayed out. What you want to do is simply press OK, and this will automatically delete all your cache files. Once you've done that, you want to press OK and simply close down your Premiere Pro, open it back up again, and the error should not persist anymore. Now, if it does, there's one more thing we're going to do, and it is we're going to allocate enough memory to Premiere Pro to work smoothly. Now, you can do this again by going to Edit, Preferences yet again, and then Memory. In here, you'll be able to see how much installed RAM you have on your computer. So I have 14 gigabytes available, as you can see, and then my RAM reserved for other apps is 5 gigabytes, and the RAM available for Premiere Pro is 9 gigabytes. So if you have anything less than 8 gigabytes over here, I would highly recommend you kind of allocate it at least 8 gigabytes. So you can simply, as you can see, either go to the right or to the left, and this will alter how many gigabytes you're giving Premiere Pro. So what you want to do ultimately is kind of swipe this to the right or to the left. That way you only have 9 gigabytes. If you can give it 16, that's great, even better. But if there's only 8 or 9, 10, whatever, that's good too. So that's the second thing you could do. And then you want to press OK, and that's it. Now, what I've also found to work is that while opening and using Premiere Pro and doing your editing on your projects, what you want to do is close down all the other apps running on your computer that you don't need. So if you don't necessarily need an open browser, or for example, let's say Discord, Skype, Zoom, whatever you have running on, make sure to close that down so more resources will be able to be allocated to Premiere Pro itself, and it will work much smoother, okay? So if you don't need Chrome or any browser you're using, close that down completely. It will help a ton. Then the last thing we can do is once inside the project, if you have a lot of different renders already, what you want to do is go to Sequence up here, and then over here, this Delete Render Files will be black. So for me, it's grayed out, as you can see, because I have nothing in this project. But for you, it's going to kind of appear black and clickable. So you want to click this, and it will delete all your rendered files that could possibly be taking up space and taking up kind of memory, and preventing Premiere Pro from working perfectly as it should. So you want to click this, and this could also help you to get rid of your error. So that's pretty much it. Those are all the possible fixes. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.